Hello everyone, welcome to Chartview. I am Arvind. Now we are going to discuss regarding the post-market analysis for Bank Nifty, Nifty, and the pre-market for the monthly expiry or the last weekly expiry. So, friends, today it was a very flat opening in Bank Nifty, and it opened around 36030. uh, but for the first candle had a selling, but immediately from the second candle there was buying. So from yesterday's analysis for today, we had observed that the maximum straddle formation for Bank Nifty was at 36,000, and the resistance was at 36120, and the support was at 35850 for the 36,000, and the second straddle was formed at 35717. And yesterday I had hinted that the trading range will be definitely from PR to PS, and definitely it was so also, because it in the first candle it just got a support above PS. So definitely the journey will be definitely to the PR value. But here around 11 o'clock there was selling, but this candle 11:05 there was again severe buying, and it just broke the PR. In this case definitely you should go for a buy, and I have repeatedly told that if you are getting a support at PR, or if it is breaking apart, then definitely you should enter. And for this, the other settings were at 36,000 to 100, 200, and 300. You see, the 300 value is at 36347, the 200 value was at 36256, and the 3600 value was at 36170 around. So friends, so what happened around 11:05? There was a severe buying, and it continued till a resistance till 36331. Definitely, it was below the 36,3000 resistance value, and here there was a in this candle buying was continuing. Immediately buying was continuing, but immediately there was a resistance to the resistance value till 12 o'clock, that was around at 36320. So we can say that also it was a resistance to 36,300, and I have told previously that if you are getting a resistance at 200 or 300 level, then definitely you should actually should be decisive here only, because exactly there was a selling a resistance from 36200, and the selling was still PR. We can assume at PR this was extra selling, you can say, but again it got a support over here, and there was again buying and selling and buying. Actually, in expiry day, after the second half, there definitely will be volatility, wide volatility due to the position cutoff or position making. So you should normally you should avoid, but you have today if you have entered here, then definitely you might have got a good profit over here if you have exited over here and not again keeping the buy position. And if you have buying position keeping, then you should have waited till the last, then you have got some profit. But here this zone was a very volatile zone, and some might have eroded that profit. So the things happen like that. Actually, this is the expiry, so I have to be cautious in expiry. You should do at least trade till 12 written, and then you have to be very decisive and cautious. Also, the presidential election result was one of the main cause. Actually, some might have entered here for positivity, but immediately there was selling. If you have not exited immediately, then definitely some might have exited here. But you have to be keep patience, and you have to be technically strong. Actually, these type of things happen. Actually, it again get support over PR. If you are following our video, then you might have seen that at PR again they get a support. Actually, again there is buying. So this happens in the market. So, friends, this is regarding the Bank Nifty post market. So, what will happen in the next week? Actually, the next week is the monthly expiry week and also the last week. So, for tomorrow, Friday, and now we'll watch what will happen. So, for tomorrow, you can see here. The formations are like this. This is for today. We can omit. So for tomorrow, friends, you see the Bank Nifty straddle formation is at 36,000 and the resistance value is at 36384. The support is at 35709. Second straddle is at 35,500. The resistance is at 36169. And the third straddle is at 35,000. R3 value is at 35987. That means it is nearer to 36,000. So this 36 level will definitely will play a very finite role tomorrow. So friends, what may happen tomorrow? It has closed inside the range, and if it is tomorrow, there may be resistance at this value, or if it is getting a support over here, then it may again lead to around 36 600 or 700 value tomorrow. That may be possible, but you have to be also very cautious. If it is getting a strong double type resistance, then there may be again selling, and it may continue till this, if it is breaking this level, that is 36169 for today. And if it is a profit booking session, then definitely it will open here, and gradual selling might be there. It may feel the gap also, and again there may be some buying, or again there may be selling towards 35 500. But friends, the straddle formation is at 36,000. That's why this 35709 will give a good support if it is downward movement. There may be again buying. So tomorrow range is from this one to this one. That is around from 36384 upside to downside, it is 35709. So you can expect a movement of around 600 points tomorrow. So this is regarding Bank Nifty. So what happened in the Nifty today? Nifty had the same phenomena, same volatility as expected, like the Bank Nifty. You see, Nifty had a good support above 16,500, and immediately there was buying, and the buying was still 16,580 range, or you can say around 16,587. And it had actually good resistance at yesterday high point, you can observe here. That's why you can say there was a selling, and likewise there was a buying in Bank Nifty and other Reliance and TCS stocks. That's why again there was a position building, but Nifty had a good closing above today's high formation between 12:30 to 2 p.m. So let's see what is happening tomorrow. And it got a support over actually at 16,500 PR line. If you're getting a support, then you should definitely go for buy. And it just cover the area between PR and R3, that is 16,600 resistance 16662. And tomorrow for Nifty, now we'll check what will happen. So Nifty, for the check of the option writing and option chain analysis, we have observed that the maximum straddle is formed at 16,500, and the value corresponds to 16,667, and the support is at 16,386, and second straddle is at 16,000, and the resistance is near around 16,500 value, this value. So friends, so what will happen tomorrow? Definitely there may be resistance at this value, but if it is breaking this value, the journey may, you can get up to 16,758 or around 16,780 if it is upward type movement. But if it is a flat opening, and it is getting a resistance at 16,667, and it is closing, it is breaking today's close, then definitely it will again come downward to 16,500 level from 16,667, or in maximum case the downward limit is 16,386. So this is regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. And thanks friend, if you are new to the channel, please like, share, subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching and have a good day.